Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O Shaunak, the Lord then proceeded towards Kurujangal, Panchal, Shurasan, the land on the bank of the river Yamuna, Brahmavat, Kurukshetra, Matsya, Sarasvat, the province of the desert, and the land of scanty water. After crossing these provinces, he gradually reached the Salvir and Aber provinces, then west of these reached Dvaraka at last. The provinces passed over by the Lord in those days were differently named, but the direction given is sufficient to indicate that he travelled through Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Saurashtra and Gujarat, and at last reached his home province at Dvaraka. We do not gain any profit simply by researching the analogous provinces of those days up to now, but it appears that the desert of Rajasthan and the provinces of scanty water, like Madhya Pradesh, were present even 5,000 years ago. The theory of soil experts that the desert developed in recent years is not supported by the statements of Bhagavatam. We may leave the matter for expert geologists to research, because the changing universe has different phases of geological development. We are satisfied that the Lord has now reached his own province, Dvarakadam, from the Kuru provinces. Kurukshetra continues to exist since the Vedic age, and it is sheer foolishness when interpreters ignore or deny the existence of Kurukshetra.